time, amazing and beautiful people. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. For Flawlessly, I am okay. Okay, let's jump into today's video. Go get this for me. This is CAROTONE serum. There's nothing in this. I've used it, okay? Go get this serum for me. Is the corrector serum. It's good on the feet and hand. I work with this a lot. If you are following my video, you will see me. I always mention this serum. Okay? Go get it for me. The next thing we'll be needing again is this. This is CAROTONE B.S.C corrector, the cream. This cream clears dark knuckles, clears dark feet, dark armpits, dark under this you know, some people, they are under breast is dark. This cream will clear it, okay? That inner thigh, this part, it clears it. That's your butt area, it clears it. If you have that rash on your butt, go get this for me, please. Go get it. CAROTONE B.S.C corrector. Get it and use it on that part. See, it will be bye-bye. Okay? And if you have that dark, stubborn spot on your face, take this and apply on that spot. Once it's cleared, please keep. No one to say bye-bye to stuff like this. Okay? I don't know if you understand. For those that are dark skin, except you're using it on your skin, that's inner body, but if it's on your face, I will not advise you, because anything dark skin corrector will bleach your skin. It will lighten up your skin. Okay, fine. Get this and this, mix them together. I just want to show you a little trick. Mix them together. Get olive oil. I talk about olive oil because I work with olive oil or coconut oil. Any oil you have at home, avocado oil, get it. Add a little to this mix. It will bring down all your reactions, all the skin reactions that will come out, that will come from this CAROTONE B.S.C corrector. It will bring it down, okay? It will not give you any reaction like, what is it called? Like green vein, you know, those bad reaction. And if you can't lay your hands on all of this oil that I've mentioned, get shea butter oil, okay? Add a little. If you add more, it will not work on this. You just be rubbing your cream. Nothing, okay? Go try this, but take a little and add to this mix. Do not forget, this is what organic people will collect plenty money from you. This thing you are seeing is the secret. Go use it on your skin. It will not give you any reaction, okay? Try it. Come back. Drop your comments and ask questions. See you in my next video. Bye.